100% cotton. Color and design. These blue cotton towels feature a jacquard beige leaf motif ground and a floral embroidered hem with soft blue hues, creating a beautiful and sophisticated look. Material and features. Incredibly soft, this cotton towel set water absorbent and machine washable for easy cleaning. Included and size 2 bath towels, 27WX52L, 2 hand towels, 16WX28L, 2 fingertip towels, 12WX18L. Care instructions. Wash before first use. Machine wash. Gentle cycle with like color in cold water. Only use non-chlorine bleach when needed. Do not wash with sharp items that may pull the towel fibers, such as zippers or hooks. To maintain the quality and performance of your towels, avoid the use of fabric softeners and dry sheets. Tumble dry low, remove promptly. Cool iron if necessary. Fold towels neatly and store in a dry ventilated place. Before use, simply shake towels to restore fluff and pile. Satisfaction. We offer 100% satisfaction for our elegant designer microfiber fabric bath accessories sets with 30-day free return for our unique bathroom shower curtain set. Available in black, khaki, aqua. Pattern is a match for the Windsor comforter bedding set to match the bed. Top reviews from the United States. Very beautiful. The towel set is absolutely beautiful and they had a nice feel to them. I used them particularly to decorate my bathroom since they matched my shower curtains. I went on YouTube to find nice ways to fold them, picked the easiest design I could find. Lol.